These next exercises, there are a series of movements that are going to be really good for the flexibility and strength in the ankle and your foot. There are two parts to it. The first part is you wrap your heel bone in the band. Okay? So what you want to do is to make sure your heel is enveloped in the band so it is not exposed. Okay? And then you start with pushing forward of the ankle bone into the band. I'm having my leg bent to accommodate the angle in the camera. You can have the legs straighten out a little bit. Alright? So I'm just going to do it here. The elbows are tucked in, and as you do this, to hold on to the band more securely. And then you go into small heel circle. I'm doing heel circles, moving the heel around. And I go the other direction. Okay. And the third one will be what I call it heel smile. So you're swishing your heel bone in and out. Okay, so then you will do it on the other side. The next part is the same thing that you're going to do, but envelope your ball of the foot in the band. You can hide your toes, so none of your toes are exposed. Right? Just so that you can push and not lose the strap. Now you're pushing with the ball of the foot. And then you do circle. Now I'm doing it quickly for the purpose of filming, but you will take your time. Okay. These are very safe exercises. Do not worry about overdoing them unless you have an ankle injury. And now push the ball of the foot forward slightly, and then you do the smile. Swishing in, swishing out, swishing in, swishing out.